Hi guys, first I'll have to apologize for the delay of this update. As you'll see, some parts took a long time to make, and I started a new DJ job that keeps me as busy as it makes me happy. I hope no one will hate on that. The parts you see here took a long time coming. Not only the weeks it took to make them, but the months of research in finding someone that would consider such a small order, plus the communication with the design team and the manufacturing team to make sure that everything will turn up right. As you can see, infinite precision is paramount here. Luckily, I found a wonderful company which not only had the skill but also had the will to make my parts. This is the most impressive industrial setup I've seen in Vietnam. The cleanliness and the order in the place were impeccable, and the amount of machines they had was very impressive. These parts are called the uprights. They were designed in India over a year ago, made to match a part made in China that the designer never saw, and manufactured by a company in Vietnam with a tolerance of near zero. As you'll see, it worked out perfectly. Now from all that high tech, let's see what kind of parts you can make using the traditional ways. This was even more exciting to watch. As you can see, this is a small workshop in someone's garage essentially, but many years of experience and many adjustments, and you'll get a very similar level of fitting between these parts as the machines achieved earlier. This piece made here was a quick demo. It took around 30 minutes to make and it looked perfect. It took another week to make the actual 56 perfectly fitting parts. Never underestimate human skill. Now, this is where things get really complicated. The floor box was next and it was relatively easy to make, but the brakes and the suspension required millions of measurements, welding, cutting and welding again. And unfortunately, I'm not very happy with the final results. So many things will need further adjustments. The precision of the fitting of these parts, some 2 meters away from each other, is less than 1 degree of tolerance, and that will have a direct impact on how this car will drive. Anyway, as of now, the frame is rolling on its own wheels, and the car was brought back to Saigon after being more than 1 hour away. So after buying some more tools, I can continue work a lot easier than before. I hope the next update will come a lot sooner than this one did. Keep following and thank you for watching.